Hello everyone, Yvonne Marie here for Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So we are going to make some popular card bases today. This is an A2 card at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I'm doing a top folding, although you can do a side folding. So this is 4 1/4 and I'm going to cut my 8 1/2 by 11 sheet of paper cardstock. And then I'm going to crease it at 5 1/2, and this paper trimmer has a scoring tool, so I am just scoring it now. And then I'm going to use my Whimsy Stamps bone folder to crease that and crease it in half, make sure it's secure. And I do love my Whimsy Stamps tool. So top folding, and let me share what it'll look like once you put a image on here. I did color up some graduation bunnies from Chrissy Armstrong, and it's a digital stamp, and I do have my sentiment strips here. And let me show you what it looks like with just one image and one sentiment. And it's really cute, a nice cast card, clean and simple. And here it is side folding. And so I love this size, and you can use pattern paper, stencil, however you want to complete your card. So moving on, we are going to a mini slimline card. This is another popular size, and 3 1/2 by 6, and I did measure it by 3 1/2 by 6 1/2, but it is 3 1/2 by 6. And I just went ahead and cut my paper at 7 inches, and then I turned it over and scored it at 3 1/2. But you would score it at 3. And I'm just going to cut my excess off, and there probably is an easier way to do this, but I have been doing this for a while that I just go with doing this size. Doing the cutting this way. And so very cute. And this is a slimline card, 8 1/2 by 3 1/2, and I'm doing it the same way, so cutting it at 7, and then I will just score it in half, and that will be at 3 1/2, and that will crease it right in the middle, and then you can just use your Whimsy Stamps Teflon tool to crease it. And this is a nice fun size. You can do top folding or side folding, and it fits a lot, so you can make a cute little scene. You can put a lot of images, so I'm going to show you 3 of these graduation bunnies on here, and you can still fit a sentiment if you slip it underneath there. It could still show you did it. And very cute. And also Whimsy Stamps has some pattern paper that is slimline, so you can do that as well, or you can stencil. Here is a slimline marquee die, one of my favorites, and I'm just going to show you that Whimsy Stamps has so many fun slimline dies, and you can slip your bunnies in the slots here. You can do different sizes. This is a digital stamp, so I have some small ones and some regular size. And you can put a sentiment in the middle there. You can turn it sideways, super fun. You can put one image and just have 2 sentiments. I think that's fun also, and I'll do that a little later. 1 bunny and 2 sentiments. So I'm just going to crease it a little more. And so we have 3 sizes so far: A2, mini slim, and a regular slimline slimline card base. And so moving on, we have 2 more to go. So the next is going to be a popular square size, which is going to be, or actually, let me correct myself. It's an ATC card, so an artist training card, and this is a very cute size, which is 2 1/2 by 3 1/2. How cute is that? And and you might know it as an ATC or just an artist trading card. And those are fun to send to your crafty friends. Maybe collect them. And Whimsy Stamps has dies that you can use. So how fun is that? I can't wait to use these. And I am just getting into this ATC, so I'm excited to make some cards this way, and also with this ATC book die set. Isn't that super fun? I will put those links in the description below. Okay, so moving on, we have our last card base, which is a square card, and this is 5.5 by 5.5. And so I was checking my papers and these weren't big enough. So I will cut a new sheet. So 5.5, so I'm going to measure it at 5.5. And then I will turn it over and score it at 5.5. So pretty easy. And you can layer it, put a smaller square in there, 5 by 5 maybe, of pattern paper, and you can put your image and your sentiments. So great. And so I am just making sure I measured correctly, turning it around, make sure it's 5.5 all the way around. And so I did use a stencil, the Sun Rays stencil, and I just ink blended with Squeeze Lemonade Distress Oxide on all my cards here. And here is that mini Slimline card. And then I will show you my Slimline card. So earlier I didn't have it measured right, the mini slim, so that's why it flashed on the screen there. And here is the square card. So fun. And then I'm going to show you my last card, the ATC. And that is it for me today. So I hope you had fun. I had a lot of fun, and I will be back soon with another card tutorial. Let me know down below which card size is your favorite.